In this video, we'll be showing you how we clean our range hood filter above our stovetop. These filters are designed to collect oil so it doesn't go up into the fan vent, and they can get pretty dirty. The first step is to remove the filter. Ours, we can simply push it to the side and then it will slide out freely. Some, you may need to turn a little knob or undo a screw to release the filter. We can now begin to make the cleaning solvent. You'll want to either warm up some water or bring it to a boil. With that warm water, make sure you have a pan that is large enough to fit the filter itself and pour the water into that pan or tray. Then, you'll want to take about a quarter cup of baking soda to add into here. This baking soda is really going to help break down any of the grease and help to free up some of the debris that may be stuck inside the filter. The final thing to add is a little bit of dish soap. That dish soap in conjunction with the baking soda is really going to break down those oil buildups. Now, we'll just mix it all together with a brush, and then we can take the filter and drop it in place. In our case, we did not use a pan big enough to start with, so we had to transfer it all to this baking sheet. Upon putting in the filter, you want to make sure that it's fully submerged in the solution, so we'll be using this glass to hold it down. And then you want to leave it here for about 10 minutes to let it do its work. Okay, about 10 minutes later, we'll go ahead and remove the glass, and then taking our brush, begin scrubbing down the filter. As you can see, that oil is coming right up and it's going right into the pan. This is exactly what we were hoping for. After you have scrubbed for a while and it's clean to your standards, go ahead, take that guy out and make sure just to drain all of that excess water and soap and oil back into that pan. Next thing to do is to go ahead and begin to rinse our filter down, as we don't want there to be any soap or oil left on the filter when we put it back onto the range hood. After it's rinsed, it'll just need a quick pat down with either a paper towel or regular towel to make sure it's dry and ready to be put back on. Once that is done, you can simply reinsert it to your range hood, and then the filter is cleaned. Now, the last thing we would recommend doing is disposing of that excess oil and water and soap solution. We're going to be pouring it into just a regular bottle that we can go ahead, close the lid on, and just chuck it. You don't want that going down your drain, as with all that oil, it could clog up your pipes and it would be just a really bad mess. As you can see, that's nasty stuff you don't want going down your drain. Thanks for watching.